Hello everyone! So today I'm going to show you how to make Mexican style coleslaw. For the coleslaw recipe, you will need a bag of coleslaw mix, 1/4 cup pinto beans, rinsed and drained. You can use any beans that you like. 1/4 cup grilled corn, 1/4 cup minced cilantro, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, 1 tablespoon of lime juice. In a bowl, we will add all the ingredients and mix. Add the coleslaw, corn, pinto beans, mayonnaise, sour cream, lime juice, and cilantro. Mix everything together. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye now.